Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cravefixwithlamar. My name is Lama. Here we make some interesting recipes using simple ingredients. Today's menu, we're making beef Sukumawiki. We're going to begin by putting a pot on fire, then add some oil enough to fit you. Then in our hot oil, we're going to add some chopped onions, red onions to be precise. Let the onions cook until translucent, then add your beef. Once you add your beef, you let it cook until it's brown. This is to ensure that the beef is cooked well. It's cooked through. That way when you add your Sukumawiki, you don't have to cook it for a long time. So here we're going to stir until our beef is cooked. Stir for a bit, then let your beef cook for, let's say, tops of 15 minutes. Then we're going to add our Royco cubes. This is the best seasoning for Sukumawiki. You can decide to add the green ones alone, or the green and red, or also just the red. Normally I use the red Royco cubes. If you're in Kenya, you know what I mean. Then we're going to make sure you crush your cubes. This way you don't bite into it. Biting into the Royco cubes can be really nasty. So ensure you crush all of them. Then if they by any chance get stuck on the sufuria or on your pot, you can add a bit of water to loosen them up. At this point, you can add a bit of water. This way we ensure seasoning is not stuck at the bottom of our pot. Stir for a bit to loosen it, and then let the water, your sauce, simmer down until it has a thick consistency. Once simmered for a few minutes, you can add a bit of salt. Ensure you've added very little salt because our seasoning tends to be salty. As you can see, I've added just a half of a teaspoon of salt. This way our Sukumawiki won't be over seasoned. Let it simmer for a bit as well. Start to ensure all the ingredients have combined well. We're going to let it simmer for a bit here. it. And normally I will serve it with ugali or pap or cornmeal. And I added some chilies. I really love green fresh chilies. You can also add avocado. Unfortunately, I didn't have any, but it goes really well with avocado. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you've liked this recipe and you'll try it out. Kindly be sure to subscribe and like my videos. Have a good day. Thank you.